Today we're making one of North India's favorite snacks, crispy soji potato kachori. It has a crisp semolina outer layer and a spiced potato filling, fried until golden and delicious to enjoy with chai, your favorite chutney, or just by itself. It's surprisingly easy to make with very little prep. Let's start with the potato filling. And that's it, crispy soji kachori with a delicious spicy potato filling, ready to enjoy. A great snack to make for yourself or to share with friends. I like to eat them hot with a yogurt dip or coriander chutney and some masala tea. If you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.